Good morning. In this session, we'll learn about binary additions, binary subtractions, and binary multiplication and binary division. In previous classes already we learned binary to decimal, decimal to binary, and binary to hexadecimal, and hexadecimal to binary, and decimal to hexadecimal, and hexadecimal to decimal. In binary number system, we have binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary division. First topic, binary addition. In binary, we using only 0, 1. In binary, we using only 0, 1. In binary addition, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, next 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 means here 0 and carry 1. Carry 1. So in decimal, generally 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Generally 1 plus 1 equal to 2. For this 2 we have here writing 0, carry is 1. Carry is 1. This carry right here. Zero plus 0 condition, next is 0 plus 1 condition, and 1 plus 0 condition, 1 plus 1. So 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1. In 1 plus 1, we write 1, 0, 0 is the carry. This is the carry. Examples. One zero one zero plus 1 0 0 1. So write the given value 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. Addition 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 0 1 0 plus 0 0 1 plus 1 0 here 1 is carry. So this carry we can write here. So in binary system, so what is this value? 2 power 0. 2 power 0. So this answer is correct or not? How to check? In binary system, this value multiply with 2 power 0, this value multiply with 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. What is the values? 2 power 0 means 1, 2 power 1 means 2, 2 power 2 means 4, 2 power 3 means 8, next 16. So this is the carry value. Only these are the given values. So what is the one here? 8. 8 plus 2. Only once. 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. Next here 8 plus 1, 9. Answer is 19. So here 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 1, 9. So our answer is correct. Second example. 1 0 0 1 1 0 plus 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 plus 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, here 0, 1 is carry. 1 is carry. 1 plus 0, 1, and again 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, here 0, 1 is carry. This can write here. What is the answer? 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So this is the answer. This is the answer. If we want to check the answer is correct or not, if we want to check the answer is correct or not, then we can calculate. 2 power 0 means 1, 2 power 1 means 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So this is the carry value. Don't calculate. Here 1 means 32. 32 plus 1 means 4. 32 plus 4, 36. 36 plus 2, 38. Next here 1. 32 plus 16. 38. 1 means 32 plus 16. 48. 48 plus 4. 52. 52 plus 1. 53. Addition. 91. So this is the answer in this 64, 16, 8, 64 for this one, 64 for this, 16 for this, 8 for this, 2, 1. 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 1, 21, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 91. So this answer is correct. Another example. Another example. 101101 plus 111101. 101101 addition. 1 plus 1, here write 0 and 1 is carry. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, here write 0 and 1 is carry. 1 plus 1, 0 here and 1 is carry. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1 and 1 plus 1, 0 here, 1 is carry. 1 plus 1, here write 0 and 1 is carry. 1 plus 1, 0 here and 1 is carry. 1 is carry. So 0 plus 1, 1 here carry. If we have doubt, any doubt, the answer is correct or not, then we can calculate again same process. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. For this, 32 plus 8, we can divide. 32, 68, 32, 8, 40 plus 4, 44, 45. 32 plus 16, 48, 48 plus 8, 56, 56 plus 4, 60 plus 1, 61. 106. So for this calculation, 64, for this 64 plus 32 plus 8 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 10. 106, 106. So your answer is correct. This is the binary addition. Binary addition. Next, binary subtraction. In binary subtraction, 1 minus 0, we get 1. 1 minus 1, we get again, 0, we get 0. If 1, 0 minus 1. For this decimal system, this is number 2, this is only 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Here we take the borrow from this number, we get 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 0 is 0. In here, two numbers 1 and 0, here only 1. In decimal system we can write this is 2, this is 1. 2 minus 1 means we get only 1. We get only 1. So here we take the borrow from this number. This number will cancel and here 0, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Examples. Examples. One zero zero minus 1 0. Otherwise we can write directly 1 0 0 minus 1 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Here 0. Take the borrow from this number. 2 minus 1, 1. Here 0. Again check this answer is correct or not. 1, 2, 4. For this 4. For this 2. 4 minus 2, 2. Here for this one we have 2. 2, 2. Answer is correct. Another example. One zero zero 1 1. Here 0, here 0. So take the borrow from here. This one 0. Here 2. Again take the borrow. Here 1. Here 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Here also 0. One, 2, 4. 4. Here 2 plus 1, 3. 1. Here 1. Answer is correct. Another example. 1 0 0. We are only taking 1. Third example. So here 0, here 0. Take the borrow from here. 0. Here 2. Again take the borrow. 1. Here also 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So here number is 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Here only 1, 0. Here 1, 2, 4. For this 4. For this 1. 4 minus 1, 3. Here 2 plus 1, 3. Next, fourth example. 1 0 0 0 1 1 1. Here 0, here 0, here 0. Take the borrow from here. Here 0 we get. Here 2. Again take the borrow 1. Here 1. Here 2. Again take the borrow. Here 1. Here 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Here only 0. Again check the answer is correct or not. Here 1, 2, 4, 8. Here for 1, 8. Here 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7 minus 1. For this answer here 1. What is the value? 1. Another example. One, 0, 0, 0, 1. Take the borrow from here 0, 2. Again take the borrow here 1, here 2. Again take the borrow here 1, here 2. 2 minus 1, 1, 1. Here also 1, here only 0. Again check the answer. 1, 2, 4, 8. For this one, for this row, here 1, for 1 value is 8. For this 1, 1 minus 7. In this 1, 1, 1. For this one 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Answer is correct. This is about binary addition and binary subtraction. Binary addition and binary subtraction. In binary addition, only 1 plus 1 is complicated. 1 plus 1 means here 0 and 1 is carry. How to write this one? In decimal system. In decimal system, 1 plus 1, 2. So remaining simple. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, also 1. 0 plus 0, 0. These are the 4 conditions. Because in binary system, only 2 digits, 1 and 0. 1 and 0. These are the 4 conditions in binary addition. In binary subtraction also. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1. So for this, we take the borrow. Suppose 1, 0, 1. Here 0. Here 0. 0 minus 1. So here in decimal system 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1 we get. For this we take the borrow from here. Here 0. Here we get 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Here 0. Okay, clear? These are the conditions. In binary addition, we have 0 plus 1, comma 1 plus 0, comma 1 plus 1, comma 0 plus 0. In binary subtraction, 0 minus 0, 1 minus 0, and 0 minus 1 and 1 minus 1. 4 conditions in binary addition and 4 conditions in binary subtraction. So today's session is over.